Welcome back to Bangalore School of Banking. This is Sachidandrath. It's my immense pleasure to go ahead with another discussion on quantity. In this discussion, I'm going ahead with one of the complex sections in maths, what many students find difficult because of the complex and lengthy calculations getting involved into it. I'm going ahead with simple and compound interest. Before going into the actual discussion, let me just brief out something about the project. Bangalore School of Banking, number 124, NR Colony, A Cross, adjacent to ISRO boundary, Murgaspalia, Old Airport Road, Bangalore. Phone 099450 51713 08025270091. Dream project of hundreds of bank officers, IITians and school toppers. Project handled by me, Sachidandrath, Director and Faculty, Bangalore School of Banking. Business partner, AdSense, Google. Please note, Bangalore School of Banking has no branch offices or franchises anywhere in India. Presently, the only office is the head office in Bangalore. For complete discussions, please order DVDs. OptiPack, having 2 DVDs, is given at Rs 3000, consists of both quantity and reasoning. Combo Pack, having 3 DVDs, is given at Rs 3500, consists of quantity, reasoning, banking awareness, and special discussions on English. To order online or by paying in bank accounts, and for more details, please visit www.bankpodvds.com or email to sachinrath123@gmail.com. Call or SMS 099450 51713. Introducing 2 new forms of videos. One is instant videos and one is demand videos. In instant videos, some of the important sections you can watch online instantly. In demand videos, you can post your personal doubts and questions that trouble you. Once video is made, it will be sent to you as private link what you can watch online. For complete details on instant and demand videos, please visit the website or email. Bangalore School of Banking is a residential and boarding school. Staying and boarding facilities are provided. Somebody can continue classes till he or she clears the banking exams without paying any extra course fees. For more details, please visit www.bangalore-school-of-banking.com. Even though the institute is in the heart of the city, sometimes students who are new to Bangalore find it difficult to locate the campus. Let me give a brief idea how to come to the campus easily. If you're coming by train from Bangalore City Railway Station, you need to come to Majestic bus stop through the subway, that's the underground road, and catch bus number 333 from platform number 17 to Murgaspalia. While coming from the City Railway Station or Majestic bus stop side, you will find Manipal Hospital signal. Little bit ahead, you will find Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. This is the ISRO signal. Just after 50 meters, as the ISRO compound wall ends, you will find a left turn. Enter inside. This is Bangalore School of Banking. If you're coming from the Marathali side, you need to come to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, that is HL. This is HL signal. Little bit ahead, you will find a mall, Camford. There you'll find a Shiva temple, which happens to be the biggest Shiva temple in Asia. After 50 meters, you'll find Murgaspalia bus stop. After 50 meters, you'll find Suchitra Biryani, Bagina restaurant. And this is the same ISRO signal. So you need to take a U-turn and come like this. On the other side of the road, you'll find a bus stop. You'll find Cloud9 Hospital, Maruti Suzuki showroom, Udupi Park restaurant, New Punjabi hotel. Process of discussion. If I teach and you do not understand, it means only one thing, that I do not understand. This is my experience of 15 years in active education. Whole project is dedicated to the greatest American-born Australian physicist, late Julius Sumner Miller, who taught me the importance of sharing knowledge apart from gaining it. Always grateful to Mr. Sergey Brin, proprietor of Google, for making education easily accessible over internet and making me a business partner of Google. Let's go with today's discussion on simple and compound interest. Introducing binomial key, copyrighted technique. Any attempt to convert into book, magazine, or printed material, discussion in profit making or non-profit making seminar or coaching class is a criminal offense under the jurisdictions of High Court of Karnataka. Let's solve a problem. What would be the compound interest obtained on an amount of rupees 1250 at the rate of 8% per annum after 2 years? Rupees 200, rupees 208, rupees 212, rupees 220? None of this. Question of Vijay Bank Clerk 2008. Let's go with binomial key. Compound interest for 1 year is C is equal to S. For 2 years, C is equal to S plus S into 0.5 into R by 100. For 3 years, C is equal to S plus S into 1 into R by 100. For 4 years, C is equal to S plus S into 1.5 into R by 100. For 5 years, C is equal to S plus S into 2 into R by 100, and so on, where C is the compound interest, S is the simple interest, S is equal to NA, A is equal to P into R by 100, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest per annum, N is the number of years. We need to get the compound interest for 2 years. For 2 years, we have C is equal to S plus S into 0.5 into R by 100. S is NA, that is N into A. A is P into R by 100. S is NA, A is P into R by 100. N is the number of years, so N is 2. P is 1250. R is 8. This is 12.5. 2 into 12.5 is 25 into 8, that is 200. Let's place this 200 here. So this is 200 plus 200 into 0.5 is 1 by 2 into R by 100 is 8 by 100. So this is 200 plus 8, that is 208. So the answer is option B. Let's go with another question. What would be the compound interest obtained on an amount of rupees 7800 at the rate of 5% per annum after 3 years? Rupees 1235.685, rupees 1229.475, rupees 1287.68, rupees 1248.750. None of this. Question of United Bank of India Clerk 2008. Let's see the formula for 3 years. It's S plus S into 1 into R by 100. S is N into A, that is, here it is 3 years, so this is 3 into A. A is P into R by 100, that is 3 into P is 7800 into R is 5 by 100. This is 3 into 390, which is 1170. That is 1170 plus 1170 into 1 carries no meaning into R is 5 by 100. This is 1170 plus, it's 11.7 into 5, which is 1170 plus 11 plus 0.7 into 5, which is 1170 plus 55 plus 3.5, 1170 plus 58.5, which is 1228.5. This value, what we are getting here, is the minimum value. The exact answer for the compound interest for 3 years will be very much close to this and will be little bit higher than this. We got 1228.5. Let's see the options. First option is 1235.685. Second option is 1229.475. This option is little bit more than this and is very much close to this. So answer is option B. While using binomial key for 2 years, we will get the exact answer, the accurate answer. For 2 years onwards, we will get approximate answers and will be the minimum answers. For the first year in any way, compound interest is same as that of the simple interest. The expressions are easy to remember because everything is the same, only these quantities increase by 0.5 in every step. These quantities can be found out by the expression n minus 1 by 2. So for 2 years it is 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. For 3 years it is 3 minus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2, which is 1. For 4 years it's 4 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, which is 1.5. For 5 years it's 5 minus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. For 1 year it is 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 0 by 2, that is 0. So here what we are getting is plus s into 0 into r by 100. 0 into anything is 0, so this quantity vanishes and it becomes C is equal to S. Let's see another question. What would be the compound interest obtained on an amount of rupees 12500 at the rate of 6% per annum after 4 years? Rupees 3180.962, rupees 3280.962, rupees 3380.962, rupees 3480.962. None of this. Question of Bank of India Clerk 2008. For 4 years, the formula is C is equal to S plus S into it's 4 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, which is 1.5. 1.5 into R by 100. I'm not worried for this part now. Let me get the S value, that is N into A, which is N into P into R by 100. N is 4, this is 4 into P is 12500 into R is 6 by 100. This becomes 500 into 6, that is 3000. This is 3000. Now I will come to this part. This is 3000 into 1.5, that is 3 by 2 into R is 6 by 100. 30 into 9 is 270. So this is 3270. Of course, I'm getting approximately. So we got 3270, which is the minimum value. 3180.962. 3180 is less than this value. So this option is not possible. This is 3280.962. This is 3380.962. 3480.962. These all options are not at all possible. The accurate answer will be minimum this and will be very much close to this, meaning it will just be 10 or 15 more. That's it. So the answer is option B. None of this is not possible in these cases because these questions are tough. Let's go with one of the latest questions asked in Ibps PO 2012. What is the difference between the simple and compound interest on rupees 7300 at the rate of 6% per annum in 2 years? Rupees 29.37, rupees 26.28, rupees 31.41, rupees 23.22, rupees 21.34. For 2 years we have C is equal to S plus S into 0.5 into R by 100. We ask the difference between the simple and the compound interest. So C minus S. C is so much. It is S plus S into 0.5 into R by 100 minus S. This S and this S are getting cancelled. We're left with S into 0.5, that is 1 by 2 into R by 100. S is N into A, that is N into P into R by 100. A is P into R by 100. N is 2. P is 7300. R is 6. These two zeros are gone with these two zeros. We're left with 2 into 73 into 6. This let's place here. That is 2 into 73 into 6 into 1 by 2 into R by 100, that is 6 by 100. 2 and 2 are getting cancelled. This is 73 into 6 into 6 is 36 by 100. Before going ahead with this calculation, let's see the options. We got 73 into 36 by 100. 6 into 3 is 18. This is 8 and some numbers will get this side. The first option is ending in 7, whereas it should end in 8. So this is not possible. This is 8. This may be correct. This is 1. This is not possible because 6 into 3 is 18 ending in 8, not ending in 1. So this is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. So the answer is option B. 73 into 36 by 100. 73 into 36 is 2628 by 100 by 100. This is 26.28. Let me go with the original form of binomial key. Compound interest is actually the interest on interest. That is, if we have a principal of rupees 100 and after 1 year we're getting rupees 5 as interest or simple interest. Then in the next year, on this rupees 5 also we will get some interest. For 1 year it is A, for 2 years it's 2A plus B, for 3 years it's 3A plus 3B plus C, for 4 years it's 4A plus 6B plus 4C plus D, for 5 years it's 5A plus 10B plus 10C plus 5D plus E, and so on. A is P into R by 100, B is A into R by 100, C is B into R by 100, D is C into R by 100, E is D into R by 100, and so on, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest per annum. While solving problems, we can ignore the C, D, and E quantities. We can do the problems using only the A and the B quantities. If we will consider the C, D, and E quantities, then we will get the exact values. In the problems that we have discussed, we were not taking the C, D, and E quantities, so we were getting the approximate values from 3 years onwards. Whereas for the first year and the second year, as we haven't ignored any quantities, we were getting the exact values. This form of binomial key without taking C, D, and E quantities was discussed in the beginning with the simplest possible conversion of the original form. Binomial key is named so because of the application of binomial theorem while deriving the expressions. These expressions are also easy to remember. For 1 year, this is A. For 2 years, it's 2A. For 3 years, it's 3A. For 4 years, it's 4A, and so on. These A quantities are actually the values of the simple interest. Let's see the other quantities. This is 3B. This is 2A plus B. B means it is 1 into B. If nothing is there, it means 1 is there in the multiplied form. This 2 plus this 1 is 3. Similarly, this 3 plus this 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5, and so on. 2 plus 1 is 3, and a new element is added. 3 plus 1 is 4, and a new element is added, and so on. In every step, a new element is getting added. The number of quantities is equal to the number of years. When it is 1 year, we have one quantity A. When it's 2 years, we have two quantities A and B. 3 years, A, B, and C. 4 years, A, B, C, D. For 5 years, it's A, B, C, D, and E, and so on. Like shopper's key can solve any kind of problem on profit and loss, farmer's key on time and work, binomial key can solve any kind of problem on simple and compound interest. For more practice, latest bank exam papers, half-yearly, quarterly compound interest calculations, and higher applications of binomial key, please order DVDs. DVDs cover all latest bank exams held till today, that is 25th March 2015, and go on getting upgraded with latest bank exams. As intimated earlier, you can watch some of the questions instantly in the instant video section. You can post your own questions in the demand video section. For all latest updates, please visit www.bankpodvds.com. Thanks for watching.